Thank you so much. Okay, so now we are going to talk about deforestation. Every minute, forests the size of Pulitzer's football fields vanishes from our planet. মানে বুঝতেই পারছেন যে deforestation জিনিসটা কি and what's its impact on our society, right? So deforestation isn't just about losing trees, it's about losing our future. These forests are Earth's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen we breathe. They are home to 80% of terrestrial species, many facing extinction. We cut them down for agriculture, logging and urban expansion. But at what cost? Climate change accelerates soil erodes and endangers communities lose their ancestral homes. The solution lies in our hands. Sustainability, forestry, reforestation, which is the main theme of preventing deforestation from our society. Programs and conscious consumption. We must choose certified products, chemical-free of course, support conservation efforts, and demand corporate accountability, which is extending day by day in our daily life. Our forests can recover if we can act now. The question is, will we? So, to present a mime performance on deforestation, may we call upon our four little friends, Ayush from Pranando Vidyapit, Rajkumar from PB Academic, Shomojit from PB Academic, and Aditya from Gokriti